Hey everybody, it is Amber with Amber Doll Does It All. It is currently like 10 or 11 at night and I'm editing this video and I realized I didn't do an introduction to this video, so I'm just going to do it now. Basically, this video is me and Luna going and picking up a piece that I found on Facebook Marketplace that I'm super excited about. And the piece is to go into a project that I'm working on. So the video kind of goes over the piece and the project. It just gives you guys a little bit of insight into my life, what's going on and what's coming. And I'm just super excited for this new chapter. I'm super excited to bring you guys along. So we're going to rewind back to the past and you're gonna see all of that unfold. So here we go. Enjoy. So Luna and I just drove from our house in the valley down to Venice to pick up a very special item that I'm so excited about, and I got for an amazing price. Like, I can't believe how little I just spent on this. It's an antique from 1920, made in France, and it's just so beautiful. I'll give you, look, that's part of it, and the other part of it is back there with Luna. And when I'm not driving and breaking all the laws, I will show it to you guys, but I'm so excited about it. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's a fireplace. If you haven't figured it out, Luna, quick. It's so beautiful. It has gorgeous detailing. Look how cute. Oh. It's a fireplace. Oh my God. I've never been so excited for a find on Facebook ever before. I needed a wood burning stove that we're actually gonna change over to propane to warm up our cabin that we're renovating. It's made in Paris, and it's just so beautiful. It's from 1920. This thing has been around for 101 years now, or 102 now.
And also, you said that it was pretty cheap for what you bought it for.
Yeah, I got a really good deal on it. I got it for 500 bucks, and I've looked online already, and they sell for like anywhere between $2,000 and $3,000. So, score. So you're probably wondering what the heck I needed a wood burning stove for, or a stove in general. Well, that's because I am going to be renovating this cabin here to live in Topanga. So that is our new journey that we're going on, and it's gonna be crazy. So let me show you a little bit of like the living room area. I'm not gonna show you the bedrooms just yet. There's 2 bedrooms, but this is the living room and like bathroom area, and I'll show you right now. Okay, so here's like the existing bathroom and the living area. Right now it's not being really utilized in its best way, so it's a mess, but we're gonna make this thing super beautiful, and I can't wait to show you. So eventually this will be kitchen. The windows will be in the same spot that look out. Right now there's a huge movie screen right there, so behind those are the exterior windows. And then we're gonna be moving the TV to here, and then honestly I think that that little fireplace is gonna go like right here, somewhere right here in this spot. So obviously I'm gonna take you guys along in the journey of renovating this cabin, and it's gonna be so fun. I legitimately cannot wait to show you what we do here. I'm so excited to move up here. The neighbor's dog is barking. There's just so much land. Luna's barking. The neighbor's dog and Luna are barking. This is great. There's just so much space here for Luna to be a kid. Her father and I, this is her father's property, and he and I are co-parenting, and we just came to the agreement that if I paid to renovate the cabin, that Luna and I could live in it, so that it's his financial contribution to us is providing a place for us to live. So I'm just super excited. I'm so excited to like renovate and to design and to be able to take you guys along with me. But now that we've dropped off the fireplace here, we're gonna go get some lunch at our favorite little cafe here called Water Lily, so that's next. We're so sad we just got to Water Lily and they are, I don't know if you can read that sign, but they're definitely closed. They close at 3 and we got here at 3:12. Oh no. So now we're gonna go across the street to this little pizza place. Oh, my mouth. My other hand. But not over my food. Yummy food. Mine looks yummy. Mine's just a little tiny pizza. Look.
This by itself, it's actually pretty good.
You like it? Does it have dressing on it?
Yeah.
It's just plain on the other way.
Wait. No, it does have dressing. I think.
Like a little bit of lemony.
Yeah.
It is good. It's called arugula. Am I supposed to eat this like this? Take a big bite?
Maybe. Do you see any slices? Because I don't. Yeah, there's no slices. Or maybe you can just rip it.
It's still really yummy.
Yeah. What happened?
I have cheese on my face. And they only brought us one napkin.
No, they didn't.
Where's the other one? If you're wondering where this place is, it is called Endless Color and it's in the center of Topanga, right at the first stoplight if you're coming up north from the beach, like PCH. It's super cute place, yummy food. It's where, if you're a local, you already know where it is, but it's where the old Rocco's used to be. And we like it. We like it a lot. It's a nice spot to stop for some lunch. So turns out I forgot to film an outro as well. But definitely stay tuned because there's going to be a lot of renovation videos, a lot more thrifting videos and just fun places to go and see. So make sure that you guys like and subscribe because it really helps my channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.